Pakistan chicken curry. A main dish from Pakistan. Serves 8. You will need 13 ingredients. Step 1. Saute onions in oil until translucent. Step 2. Add the curry mix and bay leaf. Step 3. Stir for about 30 seconds, until spices are mixed. Step 4. Add fresh tomatoes or can of diced tomatoes. Step 5. Add chicken and cook for 3 to 5 minutes more. Step 6. Add tomato sauce, water, and garlic. The garlic can be sautéed with the spices, but this will give a more bitter taste. Step 7. Bring to a boil, reduce heat and simmer, covered, for approximately 40 minutes. Step 8. Remove lid and continue to cook another 40 minutes or until sauce has reduced and somewhat thick. Step 9. Serve over rice, notes. I like to use chicken thighs and legs. Less bony sections to eat around. Country Reports. I use 2 to 4 tablespoons of curry powder mix, depends on